Welcome to this tutorial on how to easily and safely change the URL of the login form page in WordPress. In this video, we will guide you through the simple steps required to update the login URL for your WordPress website. By changing the login URL, you can improve the security of your site by making it more difficult for potential attackers to find your login page. So, let's get started. Install and activate the WPS Hide Login plugin from the WordPress repository. Once the plugin is activated, go to the Settings WPS Hide Login page in your WordPress dashboard. In the Login URL field, enter the new URL that you want to use for the login form page. For example, instead of using the default wp-login.php, you can use something like WordPresss. Test the new login URL to make sure it works properly. I hope this short tutorial will be helpful. Subscribe for more videos.